Which of the following are true? They are asking us to identify from the given four options. So in the options you can see that there is a discussion about the polar satellites and geostationary satellites. We know that the polar satellites, they move around the poles. They are situated, they are located around the poles, and they move around the Earth's pole in the north-south direction. We have studied that. So our option A is true. Coming to option B, in the option B and option C, you can see that there is a discussion about the geostationary satellites. First, before identifying which of the following options is correct, let us know what the geostationary satellite is. In the name itself, it suggests that geo, it means Earth, and stationary, it means it is at rest. That is a satellite which is at rest with respect to the Earth. Okay, geostationary satellites are the satellites which are at rest with respect to Earth. So what happens over here is, let us take an example in order to understand it. How the geostationary, what is the motion of the geostationary satellites around the Earth. So suppose that there is a car and there is another car. Let this first car be A and second car be B. And suppose that you are sitting in the car A and your friend is sitting in a car B. Both the cars are moving with the same speed in the same direction. Okay, they are moving with the same velocity in the same direction. Then with respect to you, your friend is at rest because he is also performing his motion with the same speed in the same direction. Then with respect to you, when you observe him, you feel that he is at rest. And similarly happens with your friend. When your friend observes you, he will feel that, he will observe that you are at rest, but both are moving with the same speed in the same direction. Then such case is also happening over here also. So we know that Earth is actually rotating about its own axis. Okay, so Earth is, as it is rotating, the geostationary satellite are also moving in such a way that they are also moving with the same speed with Earth, which is rotating. Suppose the angular velocity, suppose the Earth is rotating with angular velocity omega, then this satellite will also be having the same orbital velocity, through which it will be, so that the satellite will be moving around the orbit, or in a orbit around the Earth. So with the same speed, the satellite is also revolving around the orbit with which the Earth was revolving. The Earth was with which the Earth was rotating. The same, both are having the same speed, and the geostationary satellite is also moving in a such a direction that in whatever the direction the Earth is moving, the geostationary satellite is also moving in that direction. We know that Earth moves from west to east direction. Then geostationary satellites also move in the same direction, so that in the geostationary satellite will also move from the west to east direction, so that with respect to the people standing on the Earth, with respect to the Earth, this satellite will be always remain stationary. So that we know that geostationary satellites goes around the Earth in west east direction is true. Our option C is true.